You know, it really does. I've covered countless hurricanes in my time here in North Carolina, and over the years with Helene, the devastation was like none other. 8 months after Helene hit, so many thought their insurance company would be there for them, but they are now left wondering how they will ever rebuild. No one ever told you about flood insurance or anything like that?
No.
You didn't need it?
No.
And it's proven costly to Kim Mayhew not having flood insurance.
I had no idea to even get to the house, but I mean, we thought it would stop at some point, but it didn't.
The floodwaters from Helene didn't stop and got feet into Kim and her husband's Bob Green Mountain home in Yancey County. So much damage their home is not livable. When she filed a claim with her insurance company, they only pay out $1,300. The reason, according to this denial letter, the damage resulted from flood, which is not covered. A double blow, Kim says her insurance company raised her monthly premiums about $100 a month.
The amount that they paid us for the damages, they're actually making back in 1 year of premium after they doubled it. So, you know, it's a break even.
The Mayhews did get about $31,000 in FEMA money, but says it's not enough to rebuild, as not only is their home destroyed, but also their septic and water lines.
Worst case, we would get a tent and pitch it in the barn.
North Carolina Insurance Commissioner Mike Causey says what the Mayhews experienced, unfortunately, is not unusual.
Very few people have flood insurance, and we learned that back in 2018 when Hurricane Florence devastated 23 southeastern counties, and we had so many people filing claims on their homeowners. Homeowners insurance does not cover floods, and so we had almost 100,000 claims that got zero because it was flood damage.
When Helene hit, Causey said it's estimated only 3% of homeowners in western North Carolina had flood insurance, which is why he stresses it's so important to take a look at your coverage and talk to your agent to make sure you're protected when a hurricane hits, even if you don't live in a flood zone. And it's important to note with flood insurance, there is a 30-day waiting period once you sign up, so don't wait for word that a hurricane is coming this way. As for the Mayhews, despite not having flood insurance, there is hope for them when it comes to rebuilding. Tune in tomorrow at 5:30 for our ABC 11 First Alert to Hurricane Season, how to be prepared and stay safe special. We will show you how the Mayhews are rebuilding and will even get a new home thanks to complete strangers.